Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just a few minutes. So let's begin. By the way, you can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is open up PowerPoint as always. You're going to go to pictures and you're going to insert a picture in the background and give it a ratio of 16:9 if you want to cover into the slide. Next, you're going to cover the entire slide with a rectangle and use the same as background color for the fill of this rectangle. You can use any color that you want. And next you're gonna insert one text box in which you're gonna write one word, and you're gonna increase its size and give it such a bold font, very bold font. Select the rectangle and then this text box, give them subtract and merge options and change the color of the image or the rectangle to a different color. You can use dark color if you want. I'm gonna use this blue color. Let's give it this fifth number shadow. Duplicate your slide. And next what you're gonna do is just insert, and you're gonna just increase the rectangle size so much that it just covers the entire slide. And then you're gonna move them on top, cover the slide in the second slide with a rectangle in the background. You're gonna give a title and give it a middle alignment. Change this fill if you want. Insert around a corner rectangle, duplicate it about 2 times more to make them 3 rectangles and give them different colors as well. Next, we're going to insert a content text, decrease its size, and put it in the middle of your rectangle, each one of your rectangles. Now insert 3 icons. And then you're going to give them fill of white, put them on top into the middle of each of the rectangle. Select all of them and paste them onto your first slide, but move them downwards using shift option. Select both of the slides, give them morph transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. Be sure to support me through Patreon.